Hey, welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and this is the radio of choice for today, the Tecsun PL-330 against the XHDATA D808. I'm going to have fun playing around. We're also going to have a few videos explaining some functionalities. I think it's going to help a lot of you because these radios have a lot of different functionalities that can be turned on or used, and also maybe tuning examples of when I listen to, searching for stations, tuning single sideband, stuff like that. So I think this is going to be fun, and of course we'll compare some signals also between the Tecsun PL-330 and the XHDATA D808. Honestly, these are two of the best radios on the market right now. They really do a great job. If it wasn't for the muting when you tune with the knob, this radio would be perfect. And I mean, for the price, of course the XHDATA is now known also as the Tecsun D808. Same radio. Only difference, they've changed the lighting. The light here is white. It might look blue in the camera, but it's a camera effect. It's more kind of whitish blue. It's now orange, but for the rest it's the same radio, and these are great radios to use, honestly. So we'll be, of course, comparing these today for sure. We've got WWV here, and we'll same thing here. So we're going to have fun playing around with these today. Hope you enjoy. And it's a nice summer afternoon, but we have risks of showers and thunderstorms today. But overall, it's a beautiful day right now. So let's hope there's not a lot of all of that rain and thunderstorms coming through, and that we'll be able to test and have fun with radios. And of course, videos coming up, so I hope that you enjoy as we'll be checking out these two portable receivers that I still think anybody that's wondering, what are the best radios out there for a decent price, I still think these two are top-notch radios, and totally are amazing for the receivers today. Rather small size, but if you want to travel, if you want to bring them along somewhere with you, they are perfect for that. So more coming up, and hope that you're going to enjoy our videos on the channel. If you enjoy, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.